It's already 1:30. Can you ask your friends to join immediately?
Okay, sir.
Please, thank you. From 2:30 onwards, we have another meeting here at the campus, so I want to finish before that. That's why I want to start as soon as possible. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I will start. So I have just now sent, before some time, I have posted an assignment in Google Classroom. You must have received email for that. So this was the assignment I have sent you, and previously I have shared a PDF with you all, right? So the instruction for this assignment, you need to download the attached PDF, which is this one. Then you submit the experiments in this Google form. Okay, the instructions are here in this PDF. This is the Google form where you will have to submit your answers: name, email ID, student ID, branch, then the virtual experiment number, then upload here. Okay, you will have to upload one experiment at a time. That means there are number of experiments, uh, total 11 experiments, out of which I think Thevenin's and Norton's are already done uh, by Hiranma, or he will cover them. So 9 experiments you have to perform here in the virtual labs. So one experiment at a time you can upload here, and you have to upload the answer script in the form of a PDF. You have to click picture of your answer script, then convert it to a single PDF file. I think you know that how to do that. And on top of every page, you need to write your student name and student ID. Is that clear? Any doubts so far? Is it clear, Riba?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, just one second. So this is the Google form where you need to submit. So you need to submit here 9 times. That means one experiment at a time. And all these experiments have to be completed by 12 January 2022. Okay. Now the instruction PDF which I have shared already with you is this one. Correct? This one. So first you have to register, then log in. I have already shared. Let me uh, go to this link. So this is the registration page. I have also shared with you my already registered account. You can use this, or you can register yourself also. If you are having problem with registration, you can use this one. Okay, you can take screenshot if you want. Otherwise, you can register yourself also here. So on this registration page, instead of registering, because I am already registered, I will go to login here, and my email ID password, then I will log in. So it's already logged in, so only logout option is showing. Now leave it as it is. So let's go to the instruction again. So first, what to do? Every experiment has these 5 parts: theory and aim, procedure, self-evaluation, assignment, and references. You need to go each of them one by one. So the theory and the procedure contains the circuit diagram and the formulas for theoretical calculations, right? So in your answer script, let's go to the experiment number 1. This is the experiment page. Let's go to this link. This can be accessed only after logging in. So this is the experiment number 1. Here you have to write in your answer script aim, apparatus, theory, circuit diagram, all the formulas, and example. In almost all experiments, one example is given. Okay, after the theory part, after the formulas, you don't need to write this part. The example you don't need to write in your answer script. I will show you why. Done. Now let's go to the instruction again. So on a white paper, you need to make circuit diagram, theory, aim, all that. Then go to the procedure. Next part is the procedure. First is theory, then procedure, right? So here you can see theory, then procedure, then self-evaluation, then simulator, then assignment, then references. Everything is given here, right? So if you go to the procedure, it is here shown that this is the simulation model link, and this can be simulated only in Flash Player, this Flash Debugger. Okay, so I will download it. These experiments only can be performed on computer, maybe a laptop or desktop, because this is IIT from IIT Delhi, and this platform is not for mobile devices. You have to have access to a computer. If you do not have access to a computer, at least you can go to an internet cafe and do all the experiments on the same day. It will not take much time. If you know how to do at least one, the rest are easy. Okay, so let me download the Flash Player. So this is the Flash Player. Okay, in the Flash Player, under File, then Open, then here you need to put the simulation link. This simulation link for experiment 1. Similarly, simulation model link for all the experiments are given here. So first download the Flash Player, then in the Flash Player, Go to File, Open, then paste the simulation model link. So let me paste the simulation model link of experiment number 1. The whole link was not copied. Oh, I will have to send you another file. This is not being copied from here. I'll send you the Microsoft Word format of this file. This is in PDF. Okay, so this is the Word format file. I'll share this file also. I will copy the simulation model link. Then paste in the flash layer. Now this is the model which is blank. All the circuit components are given here. You have to build your model. How to build it? On the experiment page, under theory, the circuit diagram is shown. Maybe under theory or in the procedure. Sometimes in the theory, sometimes in the procedure. Here I see, here in the procedure, under procedure, the circuit diagram is given. In some experiments, you may find the circuit diagram in the theory part. Just simply check. Okay. So the instruction says the answer script should be like this. For experiment 1, student ID, student name, circuit diagram theory, aim, all that you have to write here. Then make this table, right? This part is for theoretical calculation results, this part for simulation result. Okay. So first let me make the circuit as shown in the experiment page. Okay, this one. I need a wire. You can drag and drop. This can be only done in computers. I need then power source, AC power source. Then I need resistor. Then I need emitter. Right. So let us put here, and the two ends can be connected only when you drag one end of your wire to the dot. Once it is black, it is connected. Suppose I take a wire here on this end, and it is, sorry, suppose I take a wire and I put it here. You can see the black dot is coming. That means it is connected now. Unless you see black dot, that means the wire is not connected. Okay, so another wire I need this, and I can move it, make it vertical, then bring it here. See here, black dot is not cut, being shown at the joining point. So that means the two wires are not connected. For that, what you have to do, you have to drag one end of the wire unless and until it is black. Yeah, see, now it is black. Now they are connected. And one more wire here, black, black. But let me quickly make the circuit. I need a capacitor also. Bring it here. And you cannot drag the components end. Okay, it will rotate only. You have to drag the one end of the wire. Now it is black, it is connected. Is my screen visible properly, students? Please
Yes,
let me
yes.
know.
Sir, it's
Yeah,
not visible to some.
it's not visible.
Yes, to some.
If others can see, that means they are having slow network issues.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. This black dot must appear, unless and until the wires are not connected. Still not connected. Now it's connected. Okay. So this is a emitter, and there is another emitter which is non-contact emitter. It can also, what is the job of emitter? To read currents, right? It's a measuring instrument that can measure currents. Now this non-contact emitter, you don't have to insert in series with the line. Just you need to place it over the crosshair. This crosshair must be across the line. Then it can read the current through this line. Suppose you want to measure the current via this line using this non-contact emitter. So then you will put the crosshair right across this wire. Then it will show the current through this line. Okay. Now in this circuit diagram, the current through this line can be measured via this non-contact emitter. Right. Now what values should be set for these components? If you click any component, you can see here the values can be changed, like in resistance, okay, in ohms, then AC power, voltage and frequencies can be changed. Okay, so if you click on any component, if you click delete, this particular element will be deleted. Under circuit, if you reset, the whole circuit will be deleted. You can remake it. Okay, I don't need that. Next, I need to set the values. What values we will be taking from the theory part? I told you the example you need not to write in your copy, but these values as given in the example you need to set. Okay, so V 10 volt, the voltage should be 10 volt and 100 hertz. Right, V 10 volt and frequency should be 100 hertz. So voltage, frequency 100 and voltage RMS value 10. Now it is set. Then R 10 ohms, resistance 10 ohm already set. C is 0.01 farad. C, click on the capacitor. Here the maximum you can select here 0.001 only, but in the example it is shown as 0.01, which cannot be set in this model. So it is a maximum value you will be taking. Okay. Now in your answer script you have to put this for first set of reading are 10, C 0.001 farad, V RMS is your 10 volt, frequency is 100. For these values, you need to calculate the theoretical results. How? The formulas are already given here in the theoretical page. Right? IR, IC, and IT. IR is the current through the resistor, which you can find via this formula. IC you can use via this formula. Total current via this formula. So theoretically, you need to calculate these values. Also, you need to fill up the simulation results from your simulation model. This is the simulation model. Okay. Now I have set all the values as per the recommendation. Now I need to switch on the circuit. You can see the red dot here in the power source. That means it is off now. If you click on the power switch button, now it is green. You can see this is the final result. So this is current through the capacitor IC. Oh, I need one emitter also here to measure the current. Sorry. Let me switch it off first. Just like your physical hardware, you cannot disconnect a component when the circuit is live, right? So you have to first switch it off. Now I need a emitter here. See, one emitter is here in series with the resistance, so that this emitter will measure the current through the resistor. So I will take another emitter and connect it in series with the resistor. Done. Now I will switch it on. Now these are the values IC, IR and total current. Because current is being supplied by the source, total current, one part of the current is going via this branch to the resistor, the rest of the current is going to the other branch via the capacitor. So IT is equal to IR plus IC, Kirchhoff's current law. Correct? So these are the values that you need to fill up here, IR, IC and IT. And this IR and this IR should be almost equal if your calculations are correct. This IC and this IC should be almost equal. This IT and this IT should be almost equal. So that is your first set of reading. Any doubt so far? Please let me know.
So do we have to upload the Thevenin's and the Norton also?
No, Thevenin's and Norton you don't need to do on virtual labs.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Have you understood this part, whatever I have discussed so far?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that is your first set of reading. For second set of reading, you just need to change the value of R, C, and V. You can keep the V same, but you can change RC. Means you somehow you need to have different set of values for this second set of reading. So let me again go to the simulation model and switch it off. Okay. Now the switch is off. Now again I will calculate. Suppose I change this capacitor value to now 0.0005, say. Okay, capacitor is now 0.0005 and the resistor, let's take it to 20. Okay. Now resistor is 20, capacitor is 0.0005. So again you will calculate the theoretical values, results using this example. Formulas are already given. Okay. You will find IR, IC and IT. IC V by J XC. What is XC? Capacitive reactance. Capacitive reactance formula is 1 by omega C, if you remember. XC is equal to 1 by omega C. What is omega? Omega is twice pi F. F value you have already set to 100 hertz, right? So you can find omega from twice pi F. Once omega is found out, you can find a value of XC, which is 1 by omega C. Once XC is calculated, you can find the value of IC by using this formula, right? So that's the second theoretical calculation for second set of reading. So you will calculate the theoretical results showing all the calculations, then write the theoretical result for first set of reading. Similarly, for second set of reading, you will mention what is the value of R that you have considered, what is the value of C you have considered, what is the value of V and frequency you have considered, and show the calculation, manual calculation, and write the results of manual calculation, IR, IC, and IT for the second set of reading, just like your previous case. And these results will be put here in this table, IR, IC, IT. And going to the simulation, again you will go to the Simulink model, then set the values as per the already considered values here. Then once the values are set, you will switch it on. Now, after the simulation is complete, the final results will be shown. Once simulation is complete, the final results will be shown. Those results you have to fill it up here. 1, 2, 3 for the second set of reading. So this IR, again, this IR should be almost similar if your calculations are correct. Clear? Anyone, any doubt?
So what about the theory part? Should we write all or what?
Yeah, I told just at the beginning, probably you have joined late. What I have mentioned is that you will start from aim, name of the experiment. First you will write here, just like I have given instruction here, no? Experiment number 1, the experiment name, student ID. Then before circuit diagram, you will write all the apparatus required theory, up to which part, all the formulas, up to which part? Up to just before the numerical example. In almost all experiments, one numerical example is given. You don't need to write that one. But just before that, sorry?
Till there we should write.
I did not get you, but can you repeat?
I'm saying that we should write till there, or
you should write just till before that, not the numerical example. Whatever is before numerical example, you have to write all those things in your answer script. Okay?
yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
For the practicals that Sir Hero has gave, so we wrote it in a practical copy. So
Who?
for your
Who?
for the practical that Sir Hero has give.
Not Hero. Hiranmoy Dev.
Hero, yes.
Hiranmoy Dev. What is his name?
Hiranmoy Dev.
Dev. Okay. So you can use same copy, no problem.
Same copy.
Yeah, same copy.
Oh, okay.
That way it will be remain in records, no? And you can
Yes,
click
sir.
picture from your copy.
Okay, thank you, sir.
But while submitting, means for this virtual labs, you have to write your name and student ID on top of every page.
Okay, sir.
Below that, you can write whatever is required. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. While writing theory, you can also mention the formulas here. From the numerical example, the formula is given, like Ri is V by R, IC is V by minus JXC, IT is equal to this formula, which may not be mentioned before. You need to check. If it is not mentioned, then you can include this form up to this formula, not the values, not the example, but the formula from the example you can write in your theory part. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the procedure is same for all the experiments. This is the procedure to conduct all the experiments. So you will go to this table here, shows all the experiments, right? You don't need to conduct Norton and Thevenin. And Kirchhoff's, is it already covered by Hiranmoy sir? Kirchhoff's laws? Hiranmoy, Kirchhoff's law to tumi koraba niki? Okay. Okay. Then Kirchhoff's experiment is also not required. Huh? You need to only submit 8 experiments. Thevenin's, Norton's, and Kirchhoff's laws. These 3 experiments you don't need to perform in virtual labs. Rest of them you can submit. Total 8 experiments. On or before 12 December. Okay. So I will share the Word version, Microsoft Word version of this file so that you can copy these links properly, because from PDF it is not being copied somehow. I don't know why. Maybe this is multiple lines. No, while I click copy it, and then if I paste, no, only the first line is being pasted. The rest of the link, it is not getting pasted. So I will share the Word file, which is this one. From that, you will go to the experiment lab, write all the theory and formulas, and circuit diagram may be shown here. So what is the next thing in the instruction? See, while submitting each experiment, you need to take screenshot of your simulation. This screenshot of your simulation after it is with the results for any set of reading. Maybe the first set of reading only you can take 1 screenshot. No need to take screenshot for second reading. Okay. Then screenshot of self-evaluation. Where is self-evaluation? This is theory, procedure, self-evaluation. Okay. You will answer all that. Suppose I select this one. Just I'm selecting randomly, huh? These are not correct answers. Then I will submit. After submission, see the results are being shown. So I will take a screenshot of this after submission so that I can see which one is correct, which one is wrong with the marks, cross mark or tick mark. This is screenshot you need to submit. Then what is the next thing? Observation and calculation part. Observation and calculation part is this part only that I have shown. This part, this is observation and calculation. You will have to write in your copy, right? Theory and observation and calculation. Then what is the next thing you need to submit? Assignment. Assignment. Where is the assignment? Here also. After self-evaluation, here is the assignment. So these are the assignments. For each experiment, there are different assignments you need to write in your copy. After this particular part, which part? This part. After this part, you will write the assignments in your copy and take photo, convert to PDF. The PDF, you can submit only 1 PDF, remember. Then what is the next thing that is required to be submitted? That's all. A screenshot of simulation, a screenshot of self-evaluation, observation and calculation. This will include experiment number, theory, aim, then circuit diagram, delta calculation and observation table. These are handwritten, right? Then assignment part, questions are given on the web page, which is this one. Again, the answers will be handwritten. So these 2 parts will be handwritten, and the first part will be only screenshots. Fine. So these things you need to submit. Any question?
Sir, what is the last date?
12th January.
Question.
12 January, not 12 December, sorry, 12 January. You have like more than 1 month. Okay, just submit all the experiment. In the meantime, if you have any doubt, you can contact me. But in all the experiments, like say I go to experiment number 2, to the experiment page. Let me copy this experiment page link. Copy and paste. These pages can be accessed only after logging in. Yeah? And logging in, you can register yourself or use this part. As I have already told you. So this is the experiment number 2. Again, theory is given. Then one numerical example is given. While copying, you don't need to write the mathematical example, but you can write the formulas given in the numerical example. Now, in the previous case, the circuit diagram was given under procedure. Now, in this experiment, circuit diagram is given in the theory itself. So it can vary from experiment to experiment. You need to check all the tabs. Only 2 tabs, either it will be given in theory or under procedure. So you need to make this kind of circuit, and the values that you will be using for different components, you can find from the example what values you are going to use. Okay. That's all. And in every experiment, you will find more theories under references. If you want to study more regarding that experiment, you can find under references. So if there's no doubt, I will stop today's class here only. Anyone, any doubt, any confusion? You first try to complete experiment number 1, which is the easiest one first. Once that is completed, then you will get some confidence and all the doubts will be cleared. The procedure for rest of the experiments is the same. No doubt? Hello? Some students have not joined. I don't know how they will conduct the experiments. If they face any problem, please help them. Okay, please show them how to do it. So in the Google form, you need to submit all this. There are proper places where you can upload this. Suppose a screenshot will be an image file. This screenshot will also be an image file. These 2 parts you have to combine and make it a single PDF. Right? So 3 files you need to submit, that means. Or you can, I can do one more thing also. Because these 2 files first will be images, right? You will click photos, that will be image files. Then you will convert to PDF. Similarly, these 2 files, screenshots will also be image files first. Then maybe I will make the form like that. You can submit here as PDF. That means you will combine these image files and convert to a single PDF. One PDF for first part, second PDF for point number 2 and 3. So there will be 2 PDFs then. Clear? Okay, if you do not have any doubt, you can leave the meeting.
So can we all combine it in only one PDF?
No, at least means that will be problematic for some students. If I make it like only one PDF can be combined, no, some students will face problem, because like screenshots can be taken right during the experiment conduct. When you are simulating, during a simulation process only, the screenshots can be taken. But some students may write the answers at another time where in your lab record means copies. So better I will make two parts, one PDF for screenshots, another PDF for handwritten answers. Handwritten answers are for this point number 2 and point number 3.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
And so what about the aim theory and all? Should we submit all that also?
Sorry, what about that? I did not get you.
I'm saying that all the theory, the aim and all should we submit also?
Yes, I have told again and again. In the theory, there in the part 2, no? In the part 2, you have to write it like this example. Oh, sorry, this one. Just before the circuit diagram, you need to write aim, theory, all that. Then the circuit diagram will be here. Then observation, then manual calculations. So that is point number 2, theory and circuit diagram and aim, all those handwritten things.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Okay, assignment is from where? From here. Sorry, this one, assignment. Under each experiment, you will get assignment tab. And self-evaluation screenshot will be from here. After, take the screenshot only after submission. Only after selecting the proper results, you will submit. Then you will take a screenshot. Okay. So if you do not have any doubt, you can leave. Rudranath, are you there? And Tindep Bolam.
Yes, sir.
Have you attended the session? Rudranath? Rudranath, are you there? Hey, Rudranath has not attended properly, I think. He has just attended and left. Rudranath, Rudranath. কোন ব্রাঞ্চের হয় এই? Monarch,
Yes, sir.
have you attended the session?
Yes, sir.
You have attended?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Then why have you joined back?
Due to some network issue.
You got disconnected in between.
Yes, sir. I was there in the first.
Means which part? Can you conduct the experiments, or should I explain you again?
Sir, yes, sir. Please
What
explain.
again?
The simulation part, sir.
Okay, okay. You are from which branch?
Civil.
Do you know Rudranath from civil?
Rudranath.
Huh?
Rudranath, sir.
Yes, Rudranath.
Yes, sir. I know him.
Do you have his phone number?
Yes, sir.
You call him and ask him to join.
Okay, okay.
For
Right now, sir.
both of you? Yeah, right now. For two of you together, I will explain again.
So, sir, for about the experiment, how many numbers do we have to submit? I mean, there are 12 experiment, right, sir?
I'll explain. First, call Rudranath to join.
Okay, okay. I will disconnect the meeting. Okay.
Hmm, 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 hmm. Monarch,
Yes, sir.
have you called him?
Yes, sir. He will join.
Okay. Wilson, you have also not attended the already presented session. Wilson, are you there? Rudranath, are you there?
Yes, sir, I am here, sir.
I was calling your name. You joined and left the previous meeting or what? You are
Sir,
not
no, sir.
responding. Yeah.
Sir, sorry, sir. Sir, due to some network conditions, sir, here, I have stayed in my one of my cousin's house. That's why, sir. Very poor network, sir, here.
So have you attended the full session?
Excuse me, sir.
Ha- Uh, just now, what I have shown in my last session, I have
Yes, sir.
complete.
Sir,
Have you? Have you?
I have seen it, sir, but I didn't see it clearly because of the network problem, sir.
Okay, I'm going to explain it again. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
You can see my screen.
Yes, sir. I can see it clearly now, sir.
Okay. Monarch, can you see?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the instruction PDF that I have sent. Okay. For every experiment, these 5 parts are there. Suppose this is the experiment list, no? Experiment number. So out of these experiments, 3 experiments you don't need to do in virtual labs. Norton, Thevenin, and Kirchhoff's. These 3 experiments you do not need to perform in virtual labs. That will be covered by Hiranmoy sir. The rest of the 8 experiments,
Means the number 9, 10, 11, sir.
number 7, Thevenin's, number 10, Kirchhoff's, and number
7.
7, 10,
Yes.
and 11.
Okay,
You
sir.
don't need to perform here or in virtual labs. Okay. So first, what you need to do, you have to register. If you face difficulty in registration, you can use my ID. You can take a screenshot if you want, or you can register using your IDs also. After registration, you have to log in. Okay. Now I am already logged in. That's why I am able to see this particular page. So let me go to the instruction again. What does it say? Experiment number 1. This is the link for experiment number 1. Let me go to this link, copy. After logging in, I will go to this link, experiment link. So each experiment like this will have procedure, self-evaluation, simulator, assignment, references, parts. You need, so
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
for first experiment, for every experiment, you have to write like this. Virtual experiment number 1, the experiment title, student name, student ID. Before the circuit diagram, you will write aim, apparatus, theory, all those formulas up to the numerical example part. Not, you don't need to write this numerical example, but the formulas which are used in the numerical examples, you need to write those. Only the formulas.
Okay, sir. So what about
Okay,
the
sir.
examples, sir?
Example you don't need to write. That you will be using during simulation.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So the instruction says, what is the instruction? Submit the following. Step number 8. Screenshot of simulation, screenshot of self-evaluation, then observation calculation. This is handwritten, not a screenshot. Assignment part also handwritten. Where you will get the assignment? For every experiment under assignment. There are tabs like this. For every experiment, you will get some assignments. the answers will be again handwritten. Okay.
Okay, sir.
The part 2 that you need to submit is also handwritten. This is which part? This is part 2 is your observation and calculation. This is this part. The name of the experiment, student name, student ID, just before circuit diagram, the theory and all the formulas. Okay. And then the theoretical, then the observation table. In the observation table, this is for theoretical calculation, this is for simulation results. For first set of reading, this is the, have you seen how did I make the circuit? Both of you, I'm asking both of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I have seen it, sir.
Okay, okay. Then after simulation, whatever values you take, no, for R and C, those are we mentioned here. And those values you can find from the example. Like in this example under theory, this in this example these values are being taken. R, V, C, frequency 100 Hertz. Okay, those you need to write here.
Excuse me, sir.
Here.
Do we need to write the procedure part?
No need to write a procedure part. Okay, I
Sir,
told you now.
Okay, sir.
What did
we
you
have to
write? Sorry.
Sir, we have to write the observation and calculation of every experiment.
Yes,
Okay.
I
Okay,
told
sir.
you now.
Yes,
See,
sir.
what you need to submit is these three things. 1, 2, 3. One is your screenshot of simulation. After simulation is done and power source is on, then there will be some values in the meters, maybe emitter or voltmeter. Then the screenshot of that one and screenshot of self-evaluation. What is self-evaluation? And again, under every experiment, you will get self-evaluation tab. There's theory, procedure, self-evaluation, simulator, and assignment, right? So self-evaluation, there are quizzes. You have to submit the quiz using selecting proper answers. I'm just showing one example. Then submit. After selecting the answers, then it will show whether the answers are correct or wrong. I need a screenshot of this one. Okay, you will take a screenshot of this. So that is your part B of point 1. 2 screenshots.
Okay, sir.
And part 2 is your observation and calculation. That is which part? Observation and calculation is your this part. This part is observation and calculation. This is observation table and manual calculation. You can show it here. This manual calculation you will be showing here. And this manual calculation formulas are given under theory. Go to theory. Here in the example, manual calculations are shown. I will calculate. In first experiment, you need IR, IC, and IT. IR is the current through the resistor, current through the capacitor, and total current. Right? So here, current through the capacitor, current through the resistor, and total current. How to calculate is shown. So you need to write those handwritten answers in this part, observational calculation. Then take screenshot and convert to PDF. Then next part is your assignment, part 3. Right? Assignment, where is assignment? Assignment is here again. Under every experiment, theory, procedure, self-evaluation, and assignment. Go to assignment. You'll get some questions. Again, the answers will be handwritten. So again, here you will convert them here. So part 2 and part 3 are handwritten. Part 1 is your screenshot. This will be one PDF file. After clicking the screenshots, you can combine them as PDF. Another PDF will be combination of these two. handwritten answers. Now for handwritten answers, you need to write name and student ID on top of every page. Remember, for handwritten answers, you need to write name and roll number on the top of every page. So that is the procedure to perform all the experiments, same procedure.
Okay, sir. Sir, what about the last day, sir?
This mentioned in the Google Classroom. I have posted a Google Classroom assignment. No, this is the Google Classroom assignment, basic electrical engineering lab. I have posted this one. If you go to the assignment, if you go to the instruction, you'll see last date is 12th January. More than 1 month you have.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
By
Excuse me,
12th
sir.
Yeah.
Sir, about the simulation part, how to copy, sir? And last time I was trying to copy, but it's not working.
You cannot do the simulation in mobile device. You have to have a computer, maybe a laptop or desktop. If you do not have, you can go to an internet cafe and do all the experiments on the same day. Because if you can perform one experiment, the rest are very easy. It will not take much time. Okay? This
Okay, sir.
experiment can be conducted only using computers. You have the components you have to drag and drop.
Okay, sir.
When I previously showed the simulation part, did you see how did I do it? How did I connect the different components? Did you see it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Unless and until the black dot is appeared, no, the two components are not joined together. The black dot must appear. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then if you have understood, you can leave the meeting.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Okay.